Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel PK Aesthetic Mehndi Design. In today's video, I will show you how to draw a beautiful and elegant Mehndi design. It is perfect for weddings, Eid festivals or other special events. Let's begin by drawing a small circle in the center. Now we will draw delicate floral patterns around it. Now it's time to shade these petals. Now we will draw delicate loops. These loops are surrounded by graceful veins and leafy trails. Notice how each line flows gently, creating harmony and rhythm in the design. Now we will move towards the fingers, adding fine details and small paisleys and dots. Once the design is complete, let it dry for 2 to 3 hours and apply a lemon sugar mixture to deepen the color. The longer it stays, the darker it gets. If you enjoyed this design, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends who love mehndi as much as you do. Tell us in the comments what kind of design you would love to see next. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. And here it is the final result.